Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Mercusys ME60X extender. We will show you in simple and short steps how to set up TP-Link Mercusys ME60X extender in just few minutes. So watch this video till the end. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss the product unboxing. Inside the TP-Link Mercusys ME60X extender box, you'll find the ME60X AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 range extender, a quick installation guide for setup instructions, and a power adapter, if applicable, depending on the region. Now plug the ME60X into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, indicating it's ready. Press the WPS button on your router. This button is typically labeled WPS and may have an icon resembling two arrows forming a circle. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS/reset button on the ME60X for about 1 second. The WPS LED on the extender should start blinking. The extender will attempt to connect to the router. Once the WPS LED turns solid, the connection is successful. After a successful connection, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area where you need improved Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure it's within the router's Wi-Fi range. Now your extender setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.